So, hi guys, very good morning, all of you. How are you? So, I hope all of you are doing great. Yesterday, CA intermediate classes, these exams have been completed, isn't it? So, May 22 exams are over, whether you are a CA final student or CA intermediate student. Now you are a free bird, exams are over. So many students are texting me, Pavan sir, advanced accounting paper is like this. FM paper is like this, and majority of the messages, maybe I can say 90% or more than 90% of the messages are positive, stating that the exams are easy and they're able to manage. But I'll tell you, when the exams are over, there are different categories of students in my experience. One category of students say, Pavan sir, paper is very easy, but I couldn't complete writing all the questions. One category say, Pavan sir, few of the questions are tricky. Some students will say, Pavan sir, if I have prepared well, I would have done better in the exam. So all these things are, maybe for you this is new. As a faculty, I've been teaching in teaching for the last 16, 17 years. So these things are quite common to me. Okay, so nothing new. I have never seen any peculiar comment of a student after the exam. So it is quite natural. But what I want to suggest is, since the exams are over, first and foremost thing what you need to do is calm down, relax. So taking a lot of stress, you might be preparing for the last 1-2 months or maybe more than that, and you are running behind the time, you're running against the time to complete the volume, to write the tests and all. So I do understand that you are drained out, or you are stressed, or you are exhausted, feeling out of the energy. That is how naturally exam processes. And unfortunately, CA exams are like that. Okay, so we need to understand it. Now, what you need to do is, first, physically, mentally, emotionally, calm down, relax, and get your energies back. Bring more life, feel more happiness in you. Because I remember when I was doing my finals now, last maybe 70-80 days before the exam, what the hell is happening in the real world? What the hell is happening around? What the hell is happening in my own house? I do not know anything. I do not know any. So which movie released, which cricket match, which football match? Okay, so I really do not know. So I suggest you hang out with friends, go to a beach or go on a long drive if your vehicles or pockets or parents support you. Chill out, hang out with friends. Just take some time for you. It is like, I time or me time, something they call this generation kids. I do not know. So I belong to Jesus Christ era. I do not know all these things, but you know better. So steal some I time or me time, whatever they call. Feel more happiness, smiles, life in your life. Go to a movies. Okay, even yesterday I watched one movie. It was very good. Marvel, Doctor Strange I watched, and I watched a couple of days back Top Gun, Tom Cruise. That movie is good, and you have so many excellent movies in your regional, national, international scale and languages. So just go hang out, spend some time, spend some money, go with your friends and all. Don't think anything about what the hell has happened during the exams. Okay, the worst thing is post-mortem of your own performance by yourself. Already ICA is ready to screw your happiness and evaluate your paper. Okay, why the hell you are making your life hell again? This mistake I have done as a student. Okay, after writing the exam, I'll sit with a question paper and I will recap what answer I have written in the exam and role play as a teacher. How many marks I give to this? There is stupidity, dumbness, and there might be biased version of the marks. So you really do not know how many marks you are going to get. Will I pass or no? Will I get exemption or no? Will I clear my group this time or no? Boss, all these things are unnecessary things which are not there in your hand. Why are you wasting your quality of time for that? So please don't do that. Please don't do that. And don't discuss with your friends also. What is the answer you got for this? What is the answer I got for this? It is unnecessary stress for both of you. So just relax. Then most important thing is, if you are preparing for November 22 exams, or if you are thinking of joining articleship, there are certain things which you need to work on. In the last minute, 11th hour, students will open their eyes and say, Pavan sir, tomorrow I have to go for articleship interview. Pavan sir, what should I study? Are you kidding me, dude? Tomorrow morning articleship interview. Today night, what will you study? Is that an exam in a particular syllabus? Don't you think that is a dumb question? So, guys, what I suggest is, step one, prepare a proper resume. Don't copy paste it from internet sources or from your friends. Take some templates, try to understand what it is. There are so many YouTube videos and all. There are so many blogs. There are so many websites which will help you in constructing a proper resume. So first, write proper resume. Point number one. Point number two, try to develop some skills. Like, for example, English, spoken and written. Then, for example, MS Office, which are highly useful as a budding professional. So there is nothing which is more important than MS Excel and English for a chartered accountant. So these are your best buddies, I'm telling you, trust me. Then these are skill side. Then subject side, if you want to specialize on something, whatever area excites you, fascinates you. Pavan sir, tax, I'll get stars in my eyes, I'll get twinkle in my eyes. Pavan sir, accounting standards. So something like that. Something like that. So you open a book and start reading. You don't need to spend 1 rupee also for that. Open just a book, start reading it. Tax, GST, or accounting standards, or auditing standards, something like that. If you want to study for November exams, you can buy 1 or 2 online classes and you can start, preparing for the next exam. That is a different story. The intention of this video is not to sell my recorded classes or live classes to you. So I just want to guide you after exams. It is called aftermath. So after exams, what are the equations? What you are supposed to do? So I just want to guide my juniors in this. There is no intention of, announcing any new batch and all. I'll do that later because that is my bread and butter. I'll not leave that. So I will come with another video of, online classes, live recording, hybrid, all this that we are not discussing now. The point is, prepare resume, try to develop your English, try to develop written, spoken, formal English, not informal. That is 2. And the third thing is, pick one subject and start mastering it. Pick one subject and start mastering it. Studying is different, mastering is different. You need to learn quite thoroughly. Start doing that for at least one subject. Then if you are interested in classes and all, buy one subject and start preparing, maybe every day, 2 hours, 1 hour, 3 hours, something like that, not more. Don't read more than 2 hours, 3 hours now. That is unnecessary headache again. Live your life. Okay. Maybe physical activity, go to a gym or go for a jogging or for a walk. I'm telling you, these days, there is one park nearby. When I'm going there and, morning walk or evening walk, whenever I'm free, I go there. You can't even imagine how happy and beautiful life is. I'm telling you, I missed it for 35 years of my bloody life. So just, put your earplugs, enjoy your songs, go on a walk. So enjoy the small things. Enjoying a cup of coffee, enjoying sunrise, sunset, flowers, nature. Okay, so go to places, have, some fun. Then coming back on what can be done, there are few courses in Google or maybe Udemy, or there are so many other portals where there are so many free courses. For example, data analytics, business analytics, financial modeling, social media, digital marketing, Google Analytics, Google AdWords, then website building, graphic designing. Guys, sky is the limit. Can you believe I can design my own templates? I can design my own thumbnails. I can design my own pamphlets and all. I learned it. When I learned it last year. So at this age, if I can learn something new, why can't you learn? I know how Google AdWords work. I know how YouTube works. I know how Google Analytics in this, search engine optimization. So you should know all these things. You cannot say, I cannot say, hey, come on, dude, I'm a chartered accountant. Why the hell I'm interested in search engine optimization? Why the hell I'm interested in keywords? Why the hell I'm interested in web designing or website building? Boss, at the end of the day, you need to know various things that are connected to your business. What happens around? You need to know. So I suggest you pick one course which is not so costly. Pavan sir, in National Stock Exchange, one technical analysis and fundamental analysis course is there, 32,000. Shall I join? Are you idiot? Pavan sir, in ACCA website, they are giving one diploma in IFRS or certification or advanced diploma in IFRS, 45,000. Can I join? Boss, see, don't ruin your mom's dad's money, okay? This is not the time where you should spend money. Acquiring knowledge never comes with money, I'm telling you. Without spending even a single rupee, you can start learning. So also, I am going to do financial literacy videos consistently from now onwards, how to value a company share, dividend discount models, discounted cash flow models, and real life business valuations. What is the worth of Reliance share? From the website, I will do live working and I will tell you. What is the intrinsic value? What is the market value? When to buy, when to sell? What is fundamental analysis? Reading candle charts, technical analysis, all these things I'm going to kill these topics now, because lately I have been learning a lot. I am trading for the last 15 years. Okay. I started investing in stock markets in 2007-8, not today. Okay, but still, the more I'm learning, the more I'm enjoying it. So I'll try to share that knowledge with all of you. No commercial intention of any sort in this. I don't want 1 rupee also from you. So I'll teach all these things free of cost. Mutual funds I'll teach. Then various parameters to consider while buying a share or a mutual fund, risk and return, all these things, whatever I know, I'll try to genuinely transfer all this knowledge to my next generation. Okay, so that you can learn these kind of things free of cost. Then universities like Oxford, can you believe they have some courses online which are free of cost? Harvard gives you certain things free of cost, or maybe some 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees or 500 rupees registration fee will be there. And do you know you can acquire so many skills without spending even a single rupee from reputed organizations like Microsoft? One of my juniors, he is a Microsoft most valued certified professional. He is one among top 500. One among top 500 Microsoft certified professionals. And can you believe he's a chartered accountant? So information systems, computers, boss, sky is the limit to learn. Okay, you should have the interest to learn certain things. So next 1 month before your results come, just take one subject, read that one subject, and try to learn maximum skills. And I'll not take much time. My intention of this video is over, but I'll tell you one thing. Say, for example, 2025 November, if you qualify CA, for example, 2025, say on that particular day, 5,000 chartered accountants across India, 5,000 students passed chartered accountancy exam. 10 years down the line, 2035 November, do you think all of them will be in the same designation or same earnings or same, status, same material and other parameters? Do you think their earnings will be same? Do you think their respect will be same? The answer is no. One might still be working for 6 lakhs per annum. One might be getting 6 crores. One might have created a startup of 600 crores value. God knows. Isn't it? Isn't it? What differentiates these people? If 1,000 people are 1,000 students or 5,000 students, they passed examination on the same day, but after 10 years, there will be huge Zamin Asman farak between what one person has achieved and where the other person stands. Do you know what is the difference? Skills. Get that. You should not prepare for the interview 1 day before interview, idiot. You should groom yourself, right from, how to tie a tie, how should I wear shoes. So thing, you should learn. Pavan sir, is it required today? Even if it is not required today, do you know what the most successful business people say? First, you prepare and get ready for the opportunity instead of getting an opportunity when you are not prepared. Pavan sir, I got an opportunity, but I'm not prepared, Pavan sir. There is no bigger idiot than you. Pavan sir, I do not have the opportunity, Pavan sir, but I am preparing for it. This is warrior material. Warrior never prepares for the war when the war is announced. Throughout his life, he is grooming himself to be a warrior. That is required. So focus on skills. So what is the summary of this video? 1, exams are over, no postmortem. 2, no discussion about questions and answers given in the examination with your friends or by yourself. 3, try to get maximum happiness, with physical activities or going out, chilling out with friends, hanging out with friends and all. Love yourself. That is point number 3, most important. Point number 4, take one subject, either purchase classes or take one textbook and start reading. One subject of your interest. 5, and another most important thing is try to focus on skill building and skill development. My dear friends, these are really helpful for you in the journey of becoming a professional accountant. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. Keep watching. I am going to do a series of academic videos and also financial literacy videos. And also I will come with more information about test series mentoring programs and live and recorded video classes. Thank you so much. Loving you all.